What's up, Safemoon Army? I appreciate everyone checking in, and let's get right down to it to see what this Safemoon is doing, to see if we can figure out when is this thing going to go to the moon. Well, it's always good to be optimistic, but probably no time soon, and we'll look at that. But there's some good news, and I'm looking at it right now. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart of Safemoon, and right here is Friday's action. And the good news, I noticed, we did not collapse over the weekend. The weekend has been scary for all the cryptos. And you can see how it started. This is Saturday right here. And it was like, oh, here we go. But look at the recovery. It happened about yesterday at 2 p.m. And we are going up. We got actually a higher low, getting ready to make another higher high. So here's a higher high than that, right? And here is another higher high. So hopefully we can go into Monday and just start to get some traction on this thing, because I'm going to go ahead and zoom out to the daily. You can't go too far than this. Here's the weekly. We know it's just been trading for a couple of months, so we have to use the daily, and the daily gives us all the action. And, you know, if you got in way back here, oh, congratulations. April 5th, you know, oh, man, unbelievable. Look at that price action. Unbelievable. But you know when we're going to take off? We have to worry about this, first of all. You got a high here, and then you got a lower high, and then maybe here is even a lower high. And you can see this line right here. Right around the 430, let's just call it 400. It's critical. It's a critical level of support. The good news is we are holding it. We're holding it. If you can almost even draw a head and shoulders here. It's not the greatest, so I'm reaching on this one, right? There's a shoulder head, and it tried to lift here, and I'm glad it didn't, because if it did, it wouldn't look good. So it's coming down, and it's holding this level of support. Now, some of the fundamentals, you want to throw some fundamentals in it. We have that wallet getting ready to drop this week, and hopefully we can get some traction. Maybe that's why we are popping since yesterday, right? And we're about to make a higher high when you really look down into it. But we are holding this level, and that's a good news. I can look here and say that we have a low, and we have a higher low. We just want some action. But the good news is, if you bullish on Safemoon, it's given us all this opportunity to get in right here. I mean, get in, because if it starts doing this, we're going to miss it, right? And now we're going to be paying higher prices, and all this time we could have been getting in. Okay, so I'm drawing two lines, right? I finally figured this out. Oh my gosh. All right, how do I get rid of that? Do that. All right, there we go. Goodness gracious. All right, so let's call this the primary trend line, right? It's a downward sloping line. We need to break above this before we can start getting any kind of excitement going on. The only excitement I feel that we have on is we're not breaking to new lows. I mean, it's actually holding in there like a champ. It is holding in there, and the more it holds, the better it is. Basically, I always say, if it doesn't go down when it should, it's going to go up. All right. Now, the reason why I say it's going down, it's holding it. We got lower lows overall, right? And picture this line as a barrier. We keep knocking on it, and eventually you will bust through, but it's not doing that. And if we can get some lift off this line, it will make me feel real confident. Now, here is your secondary. I'm going to call that a trend line. It's not the greatest, but we went through it, right? That's good news. That's good news. We didn't kind of hit here and just kind of slowly sloping down. We bust through it, but we're still on that level of support. Hopefully we can start to go up. And if we break that one, I'm going to say it's on. It's on. And you know when it's really on? You know when it's really on? Can I draw a line here? Yeah, can I get that going? Yeah, right there. When we get to all-time highs, when we break above that final level of resistance. Yeah. You know what that means? You know what it means? It means everyone that has bought and held on, would be making money. It also means that the people watching that didn't get in, they going to want to get in and start to make money. And then we're going to get that whole FOMO action and maybe even some of this going on, right? Just making those higher highs. The good news is tokenomics. You're in now, sideways action, you're getting paid, right? The people that can't hold on to all the transactions, all the buying and selling, we're getting paid. We're getting paid to hold. That is the greatest thing about this coin. It is great just to be sitting there, refreshing your wallet and watching those new tokens. You know what I like to do? I like to take a screenshot of my wallet. And when I wake up, maybe 6 to 8 hours later, I look at where it is, kind of refer back to the screenshot, and wow, I made that many millions of coins overnight just for sleeping? Thank you. And all we can do is thank everyone else. All right, so that's the objectives here, right? So I'm gonna say the good news is we didn't break. The second good news is that we broke this trend line. The next piece of good news that will be good is we need to break that. We need to break this downward sloping trend line, and that just changes the downtrend. The third piece of good news, well, the next objective will be to finally break all-time highs. And let me tell you something. If we break that, it is on. It's on. If we break the all-time high, which wasn't too long ago, April 20th, okay, April 20th, if we break that, we know what we're doing. We know where we're going. And the other people, the non-army, the haters, or the, the people that just are not on board, they're going to say, maybe we should get up. Basically, yeah, we're gonna take their money. We're going to take their money when they have to pay their 10% to get in. We're going to thank you. And you know what? They would have gotten in at a higher price. They're not even going to be able to keep getting the reflections that we have gotten in. This sideways action, this sitting on support is opportunity for us believers, right? This is the opportunity. It's a beautiful opportunity. Look at it's just letting us load up, right? You know, if you look at the chart of Amazon, Apple, some of them high, Tesla even, right? Before, when it was just going to the moon. You couldn't get on board. You didn't get this. You didn't get a chance to get this. It was just up 10, 20, 30 points a day, right? Up. And by the time you finally decide to get on, you missed it. You missed it, right? So this is opportunity right here, right? And if it goes further, because we know this thing is eventually going high, even if it goes lower, it's even more opportunity. Where we have to look out for caution, let me try to draw a line one more time, is there. If we break all-time lows, that will not be good. All right, that will be a bad thing. I don't think it's going to happen. There's too many things in the pipeline for that to happen. I mean, so, but that wouldn't be good. The only good thing is we can get in at a better price, even a better price. All right, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, please like, share, and let me know your price prediction. Where you think the Safemoon is going to head? When do you think we're going to break out? And the true breakout, like I said, is the all-time high, which was just a couple of months ago, right? April 20th, May 20th. It's not even June 20th yet. So this is all good. This is all good. And it's not Safemoon we just have to worry about. It's nothing. None of this is Safemoon's fault, which is also, it's a good thing. It's just the land of crypto. And basically everything is down. Everything, right? Just look at all them charts, right? All got the same chart for the most part. But everything is down. But when it turns around, you know which one is going to catch fire? You know what's going to catch fire first? You already know. You already know. Safemoon. All right, I'm Dre Trades. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that. I'll see you later, Safemoon Army. Peace.